Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a VTuber concept. First, let's define your character's core. Think about their personality, unique traits, and what makes them stand out. Consider if they are energetic, calm, or mysterious. Next, choose a visual style that truly reflects their essence. Finally, brainstorm a compelling backstory or lore to give your VTuber depth and intrigue. This initial step is crucial for a strong foundation. Now let's craft your VTuber's visual identity. Select a distinct aesthetic, perhaps anime, chibi, or a more realistic style. Think about what best suits their personality. Consider color palettes that enhance your character's mood. For example, bright colors for energetic or cool tones for calm. Finally, decide on key accessories or outfits that truly define their unique style. These visual elements are vital for immediate recognition. Next, we develop your VTuber's voice and persona. Determine their vocal tone, pitch, and overall speaking style. Will they be high-pitched and bubbly or deep and calm? Outline their unique catchphrases, quirks, and common expressions to make them memorable. Also, plan how your VTuber will interact with an audience, whether through playful banter or insightful discussions. This brings your character to life beyond just visuals. Finally, let's build your VTuber's lore and backstory. Create a simple origin story. Perhaps they are from a magical realm or a futuristic city. Establish their world or environment and its key elements, giving context to their existence. Think about their motivations, goals, and relationships with other characters or the audience. A well-developed background adds significant depth and engagement to your VTuber concept.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.